All right, guys, good morning. It is morning one of our rut trip here down in southeast Michigan. I've been here a couple times throughout the year, as you guys have seen on some of the other videos, but this is the annual planned trip here, and not gonna lie to you, morning one is not going as planned. It is monsooning outside. I mean, just dumping buckets, but it's probably best because my wife and I went to the Riley Green concert last night in Grand Rapids, which Riley, Drake White, phenomenal boys, phenomenal show. However, that is 2.5 hours from here, so last night's drive was a little long, a little lonely, but we were jamming to Drake White and Riley Green the whole way after the concert. So I'm here now. I got about 2.5 hours of sleep. I got a stuffy nose, and it's pouring raining, so I don't know what more you could ask for. It's going to be a great day, and we're going to try and get after a giant. One arrow, let's go. What's up, guys? We are grinding through the dog days of sweet, sweet November. Weather has been tough this weekend. However, today we got 3 inches of snowfall here on the run trip. And, man, take a peek. It's cold. We've had 2 young bucks cruise by already. It's 4:09. Man, it feels right.
was after, but a short time to 8 on a Hail Mary last hunt of the trip. Couldn't pass him up. He was at 31 yards. You can see the lumberjack right there. He's laying right there. Let's go. We're gonna sit till dark and see if we can't make it happen again. I've got deer still in the field. Stay tuned. One area.